are good to wait for that liquidity sweep overall, I think, when the 8R is high. But that's not always the case, but yeah. Yeah, just break out, retest, and yeah. No, no. Wait, I'm not saying that we should long the bottom. I'm saying that we sometimes, when it's moved down a lot of points and we're establishing a bottom or a top for like 3, 4, 500 points down, we potentially should wait for that liquidity sweep if we want to reverse trade it to the upside. If we don't see aggressive buying, but that's hard because we saw aggressive buying on the bottom yesterday. Saw on CVD at least. We were there were no selling pressure at all on that flush yesterday. I'm just gonna say there were nothing that indicates that would not go down. But you see, the timing is hard because we did do that,
Yep.
and then we ripped on the overnight session instead. So
Yeah.
uh, the trade yesterday on the left, that on the when we the lows there, that trade we took there. No. Go down. There. There is the low taken. No. Right side. Right side. There. There is the liquidity. Yeah. Yeah. So you would not enter at the bottom. I mean, if you can, it's perfect, but you would actually enter a lot higher up. But after that, yeah, you don't need to do the high, but you don't need to break, but you could easily, when we see that third buy up and you actually see the crossing of your indicator, but even CVD you saw buying there after that low being taken out, and you see strong buying. Yeah. Uh, with that liquidity sweep, that long is a lot higher probability, even if you have around the same entry as you had yesterday. Um, mm, yeah, 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 and that's all the liquidity. Yeah, I'm not saying it to be perfect, but you could also go to that break and then take it, or it's not. Yeah. It's not like I'm just saying that we need to, when ATR is super high, we need to be aware that there are more liquidity sweeps. Yeah, but you also need to not hesitate because the market is so high. So that's the other problem. You kind of need to go in, right? Because the problem with high ATR is that you freeze a bit and you then don't get that perfect entry most often. Um, But yeah, it's a good tail. Uh, when the 8R is high, good trader survives, bad trader blow up, and when the 8R is modest or even slightly low, they make super much gains. That's the original tail. That high 8R is harder for scalpers, but better for swing traders. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I had also 11. I mean, I like both trades yesterday, so I'm not gonna say anything. But I think the trading yesterday was good. It just was a very bad follow out. I talked with Ocean. He was like, "I'm up 80 points, and it just feels it was luck." He got TP in 10 seconds or 15 seconds, both trades. And yesterday for us was probably bad luck. For it's not all about the entry. I mean, you had a good entry the first trade. It was really solid. It was on the back test. You saw very strong momentum. Ticks looked good. CVD looked good, everything looked good, and we took the trade. But the only thing we could identify on that trade was the 1 minute imbalance, because it filled that and stopped us out. But overall, the same way you long there, it was valid trades, and I think we should have taken the 60 points, scaled out some at least. But yeah, yeah, same. All, yeah, 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 yeah. But I think you saw the same thing on me on the 1 minute there. I mean, what happened like that? It's not normal. We don't see that often. You see that strong bounce above the break, and you see the break, it gets sold, and then we come back and break that break, and it's sold out super heavy again. It's very uncommon. But no, it's those two candles there. Yeah, those two. Yeah, very interesting. I was very sure that we would go along and see 700 liquidity on the left there, even if we were gonna flag on that second spike. So that's why I didn't take it either. Yeah, the close candles held. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But we kind of got stopped. We kind of got stopped there. Yeah. On the, that candle is 70, 80 points. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. But I think both you and me thought that 700 was very almost 100% there. I was thinking that. I mean, me holding 60 points in profit and not doing anything, it's very uncommon. Did you say how sure I was on that trade to play out? Uh, I mean, it did play out. We had a 30-point stop and it gave us 2R, but yeah, yeah. Also a bit on the volatility. I didn't. I was like, wait, this is so much. Wait, yeah, I'm gonna take it on the break. Here we're gonna break up to 700 in like seconds, and it just sold way down again, and I was dead. I don't think basics are bad in this volatility. Like if you have a 40-point stop, 60, 70 points is very nice. Also, I don't. I don't like 50. It's so much. No, no. No, no. Yeah, just on that first trade maybe. Yeah, yeah. It's good to identify now with those days behind us, which have been quite bad from Thursday a week before, that we should not try to recover like yesterday loss in one trade. You should try to stabilize and take the trade which gonna be right. How much points it's gonna give us? Oh, it could. Yeah. Of course it could. Yeah, okay. Mm. We have a consumer sentiment preliminary at 10 today. That's it. That's it. 8:30. Yeah, nothing. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I'm buying here. Yeah. Yeah. We hit uh, the 200. Is it the 200? Really? On a daily? Oh, it must be the 50. Oh yeah, it's the 50. Yeah, we hit the 50. Yeah. So you're sizing the same today? Yeah. Yeah. It looks like we squeezed on the P-Lod on the overnight here. So it's possible that we squeezed today. Well, we already squeezed also, but Pickles looks, yeah, this week low on, but above overnight high. Yeah, it's PO'd also. Yeah, PO. Yeah. I definitely see some squeezing here overall from that low. Right overnight high, 880. Yeah.
Quick question. I know we're sizing down a bit, but are we also setting a wider stop, or are we not doing that? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but this is squeezing from the low, so that's potentially upside target for me is 25k today, with 24,990. That's downside 600 for me. High low. Almost went to 800 there, very close. Just right to the top end. That 1 minute. CVD is increasing here. Yeah, I think we see that. Yeah, yeah. ATR is 60 today, around 60, so it's lower than yesterday, but still high. ABE goes up a lot here. 4.5%. NVIDIA also really strong here. Yeah. NBO up 7.4% for you guys. That's holding. I don't have it. Yeah, but it's still down overall, I think. 47. But yeah.
You might get a
6.
re-entry on NVO though. I pulled
PayPal,
full out.
PayPal is up 0.45%. It's at 40. It didn't hit it for me. Didn't fill the imbalance. No. Bit up. You're going up more. Oh, selling underneath overnight low here. Seeing some selling pressure on CDs here. That follow-up momentum disappeared a bit, but yeah, Apple hit P-Lod, guess. Yeah, he is still looking quite. Didn't even go. Yeah, I did for PP. Yeah, did. Okay, see some slight buying again on the CFD. Look like a head and shoulders on the CFD. Same with the 1 minute. Tony. No, you can't. You can't. CFD on the Nasdaq are buying a bit though, going for a NVIDIA. Yeah, yeah, yes, spot it up. Just push the highs. ES is up more than Nasdaq, 0.7 against 1.04 against 1. Yes. NVIDIA sees some real strength here. No. 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 Yeah, it held a previous week low on the close there. Be 970. 969. Yeah, for runners, I think absolutely. We have liquidity above 960 here on the left. Yesterday, initial balance high. The 1 minute imbalance to 900 there. $890, you mean? Mm. Uh, $991 is the fill of this 30-minute imbalance, but 960 is liquidity on the left. 900 re-entry wasn't that bad there on that 1 minute imbalance, actually. Don't think it was too high. Target. Did he saw some selling there? Did he saw some selling there? Yeah. PayPal sold hard there. They tried, but now had a flag failed breakout, and then yeah, the buying pressure on Nasdaq's kinda stop here. Still in the positives, but sloping down here. Yeah. Would be nice with those target upside not getting hit though before. 'Cause, um, Oh, no. Yeah, in 60, here we have it. So some buying there coming in again. It should push here. Yeah, it should push here. There's some buying on the CFD there also. Yeah. Should push 25k. Oh, nice. No, our long. I like the 900 actually, but yeah, I got stopped on that pace there. So 900 again. Yeah, probably B stop in the 950 area, and then 50 point. Yeah. Fill the 4-hour imbalance here, but not the hourly. Kinda did though. His head is sized down, I think.
If I had to take a guess, he's probably on 4 MQ today.
No, he should be on 2.
He
After
runs
fly.
6.
Okay, 3 MNQ then. But this ATR is lower, so no. It's a fine balance between nice ATR and horrible ATR. Yeah, 3 MNQ. Yeah, well done. You're still doing 4 MNQ from the last time we talked. That's awesome, bro. Good risk management. Oh yeah. Yeah. I like it a lot less now when we took that upside. Fingerprint. Okay. Kind of want us to fill this imbalance down to 77. Is that 770? It's 800. Yeah. Maybe not. I was looking at it too. I like to look at 2, but yeah. 2 minutes. This would be deep down. CVD is selling right now. Yes. I'm going for this 845 low. No, Google Meet, Microsoft sold. Yeah. If it's buy here, it would be a higher low on CVD here. Hold this there. 850. We just go long from 850 to 928 for imbalance fill on the upside. Maybe not. 70 points, bro. Was 70 points. But yeah. Yes, didn't backtest nearly as low. Still above p-hod here. The DNMQ contracts are going down though. Delta in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm pulling the low here. Yes, gonna back this lower.
It seems like there could still be that, the rotation from more defensive cyclicals, XLE, XLI, XLP, and XLB are up currently while the Mag 7 are down.
Everything is PayPal's fault, down 0.9%. I hate PayPal now. Sorry. Bastard. Making all the buys I bought red just because of PayPal. Because I bought it heaviest. My decisions, yeah. Next time I'm just gonna buy everything equal. Don't care if you but yeah. But I had a bit more. I bought everything for some, and I was like, oh, I got payment in again. Okay. Which one do you like best, Alex? Okay, you like PayPal best. Okay, I buy it. The day before the earnings, I didn't even look at it that it had earnings, and I woke up at minus 20%. Now this is 0.5. Oh, maybe we go for this 770 balance actually. Oh. CVD sold here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes, almost no correlation there on the. If it's gonna back to slower, I don't know what will happen with Nasdaq here. No. Yeah. I think it's possible that we buy it here also, but that's a deep one. And the short squeeze maybe just went dead. Saying goodbye, I'm done for today. Sorry. Microsoft didn't sell at all. Yeah, Google Meta. Nvidia. Yeah. It's just Nasdaq VWAP for me. So 790. Carlos, where's your stop? Up 700. Okay, mine is wrong. Wait, what? No. Yeah, ES is a lot lower. What is happening with my? I have the same script as Carlos. We need to talk about this. I was so buying here. No, we saw buying there. I think it was accurate. I think you all were wrong. See, nice buying there. That was the backtest on ES actually. Right to previous week low there. I feel that imbalance. Someone.
I come back and we're dumping. Yeah. I was aiming for 100 points, but it is what it is. Yeah. And market reversed at 96 points, 4 points off. Did you guys take anything, or you're just looking? Okay.
Yeah, he is kind of losing this post-week low p-hod here. Interesting. Yeah. 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 If ES filled that imbalance below, Nasdaq gonna take a new low. Yeah. This is open price. Now my VWAP is here. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with it. It says I'm gonna trick you to lose money, bro. Where's you gonna have your stop? Oh. So that is. Oh, sorry. Yeah. 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 800 retest. Wait, where was your entry? Sorry, I kinda. Oh, okay. Yeah. Trimmed one. Trimmed. Yeah. I didn't blow! This was a big day if I was gonna blow my accounts. If we did have a triple loss again.
Yeah, I'm full out there.
Yeah, that feels good after yesterday, honestly.
I got a really good exit. What the hell? 871 exit.
What was the
was
stop? Was it 30 points? 40. Okay.
I still ran 30. I'm not gonna lie. I've been paper handing a lot. Like I trim like so much. My profits could have been so much higher if I didn't trim.
Yeah. Try to.
Yeah, that's something to learn. You know, it's
Yeah, I have the problem also. I think
yeah, everyone.
Alex is very good at that. So try to help yourself by thinking.
Yeah.
Wait, is Alex? Is he
I
gonna?
mean, my first trim was a little better, Alex. I got a 33 trim.
Yeah. But that's also the day the thing like when you if you trim around Alex level, sure good. But he's typically holding that other part probably a lot longer than you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice exit. What the hell?
Yeah.
Mm. Oh my god, that exit was beautiful. What the hell?
Wait, did you have a 60? What? Oh, and lost. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. I had a 40 on my first, and my second at kind of bad. It kind of wiggled there. 44. So I got 40 then 44. Yeah.
Solid. Look at that.
Yeah. I'm up half the loss from yesterday.
On a Friday, dude. Wait, today's not Friday. Yes, it is.
5, 10. Yeah, you're up half also, Alex. Okay, we did similar then. Yeah. My first team was a lot better. My second was horrible. Yeah, we recovered around 50 points total size, I think. Yeah. No, it's bad, Alex. It's bad. It's really, it's really. Do you want me to calculate how much I'm down? If you wanna, no, kidding. Yeah. It could have been. It's nice to have that a green day after that. Just for the mental part going into the weekend. Yeah. It was a solid camera. I liked it too at the open price. I was just a bit worried that ES was gonna flash there, but it just wicked under it and closed above. So, but your NT was after that. So, but before then I was like, this looks still like a lower high. We're gonna continue. I think we take the low here and then possibly actually see upside here based on CVD here. Because I like NVIDIA still here, looking good. Google looking good now. And Microsoft looking bad, but maybe I'm wrong there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I'm wrong here. Mind. I wanted to take the low and buy directly then.
I'm actually profiting the account again. I wasn't
Oh, nice.
I wasn't in profit for so long.
Yeah.
It was like $100 off, and then I would take a big loss and be right back where I was at.
You're gonna come to a part where I am, as we are trading the same kind of size and same account.
Mhm.
I am plus 3.6k on my accounts,
Okay.
my 50k unfunded. But the problem is I have taken payout, and now we had a
Mhm.
drawdown, and I was so close to blow. So that's the hard part when you're taking payout on so small accounts. That even if you're kind of close to the buffer, it's kind of hard to find that balance.
No, I'm not worried about payout just yet. I'm
Yeah.
okay. I
Yeah.
still have, I think, like $2,000 left, actually. Something like that.
Oh. Yeah, I had a minus 24k yesterday, so this is nice. Plus 13.4.
Yeah, it was actually solid. If I didn't have that big loss on Monday or Tuesday, whenever the hell it was, I'd be up a little more. But it overall still sound like I recaptured a
Wait,
lot
wait, wait.
actually.
Alex, are you green? I'm super red for the week. No, no, no.
I'm
Rich
green.
maybe. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wait. Look, it's happening. It took the low and buying. Yes. Yeah, I am
Re-enter,
right.
Philip. Re-enter.
No,
Re-enter.
I wanted the low re-enter then. I really like that, but I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna. Yeah,
Re-enter and hold it for 25 minutes.
yeah. I want this. No,
That was-
yeah.
yeah.
I want the W pattern on a low time frame, like that we trend higher now. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. So that low taken and long that I didn't take. Of course, I'm not gonna take that after a green day. But that was based on Nvidia and Google, Tesla, and Meta are looking super solid. Meta just in the lows and Apple backtest, but that with the long-term area, the high time frame area, and the CVD on the Nasdaq. But we actually see this selling here, which I don't like. But yeah. It will be out if you took that on the low. Yeah, that was 90, yeah, 100, yeah, 100 points. So yeah, but
Oh my god! I just realized the trade we took was almost 100 points, like very close.
so yeah.
Yeah.
CVD, do you see, guys, on the CVD there that we are making a higher high? It has the same possibility that the price. So when price does that, but price made a lower high and CVD made a higher high there on that high time supply area where we are, which indicates that we are seeing a lot of buying pressure here. It's a buy divergence also. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Asian took Ocean took the same trade as us, but it took it. Yeah, but it took it like 50 points above us. Yes, it went up 25 points and then wrecked him. Yeah. He sent to me. It's good that we're talking. I think we gonna get him in the channel. Alex, he has not said anything, right? More? No, I think so. Yeah. He said maybe it's something wrong with my entries and good guys laughing. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Well, wait. I'm gonna copy his. View.
Yo,
Mm.
Yeah.
Samir is a sniper.
Hmm.
Maybe we should have entered when Philip said enter. We'd be up another 100+ points. Let's get greedy. Let's get greedy. Let's do it again.
No. Then I get any. Samir, did you take that trade?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
I am up 600 on each account. I'm
Yeah,
sizing
nice.
the same size, 6M and Q.
Yeah.
So I can request a payout today, but I just wanted to trade next week so that I can take out from 5 props account. So it's gonna be a huge payout for me next week.
Congratulations.
Yeah, yeah, good for you. I'm still kind of close to blowing.
Yeah, I would be closer to 50K, I think, on the payouts.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Please log up this phone.
Yeah. That was the one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just sizing. I
Hugo,
really,
can I get a free haircut for my birthday?
Rich is so funny.
And I'm turning 22 on Tuesday. So I'm excited.
Sweet. Oh damn, that's a big sell-off there. Yeah. So fast. Damn, so fast. Really fast. Yeah.